Hello everyone. In this movie I will show you how to replace the glow plug module. So you should have diagnostic. This is the easiest way to identify that there is something wrong with your car. But how I realized that something is not right was that on the cold engine the revs, they are not even, and sometimes when on the cold engine I'm driving and let's say coming to the traffic lights, sometimes engine is cutting off, or I can see the revs dropping down. So I did diagnostic. So this is INPA. I'm reading the fault codes now. So the fault codes that you can see here, they speak about glow plug 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So all the glow plugs. So when I click clear, just to make sure that they are permanent fault codes, so I will clean all of them and then go back to do diagnostic again, you can see that they came back. I clicked too far, sorry. Yeah. So you can see that this is the first glow plug, second, third one, fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. So it's pretty unusual that all the glow plugs will fail at the same time. So I assume that this is a glow plug module. So luckily for me, I have glow plug module from the past, where basically I was learning about mechanics, and I replaced this just because someone said that this is the faulty part, where it was not. So yeah. Unlucky for me, this time of the year, it's time of the storms, so I'm just between the rain. Like there is a rain, then there is a weather which is not bad, then rain again. So in this movie I will show you how to replace glow plug module without removing the top part of the engine. So this is gonna be just engine cover, and then if you look on the glow plug module how it's constructed, there are only two screws that hold this on the each side. Then there is a connector which go here and another one over there. So connector here, you can see it's secure by you pressing the clips on the sides and then pulling it out. This one you just pull out. I also got something like that. So you can see that this is just, that doesn't have any kind of security. This is something just which you pull up and that's all. So what we will have to do is get the key with long extension, probably some flexible on the middle, and basically reach this part, untie this, then use magnet to grab the screw. Again, do the same on the other side and just untie the connectors and remove the module, place the new one. We erase the fault codes and see how it's go. So diagnostic which I'm using is INPA. It's pretty good, it's pretty quick. It doesn't say exactly what those fault codes mean, but you can Google it. So those, they are definitely the glow plugs. But like I said, I don't believe that all glow plugs fail at the same time. Possibly some of them will have to be replaced. I mean, you usually replace all the glow plugs, not one. But first I will replace the module because I believe that module might be faulty. So lucky for me I got one, so this is what I will do. So yeah, so let's do it. So first we remove the engine cover. So it's gonna be this screw, that one, that one, that one and that one. And after this we should have better access to the glow plug module, glow plug relay, which is on this side. So if you look on the engine from this side, the glow plug module is located over there. You see this is the first screw that hold it. So there are two screws that holding it. One is on this end, it's size 10. The second one is on this end here, size 10. So those two will have to be removed. So what I'm using is the tool like that. So there is size 10 and two extensions. Also, you will have to use the magnet on the end to grab this is more like a nut, not the screw. So again, one is there, the second one is over there. So with those two screws gone, as you can see I removed the other one as well. What I've done, I put the magnet on top of it, then I put the finger around this to access this end, and then I was pulling the screw out, like just untightening it and holding the magnet on by the second hand. And then when the screw was loose, I just removed that, which is fine. Now the connectors, they are on the bottom. The one rounded is this one, which you just pull out, and to access them, again you have to put the hand under, which will be like this, if you can see it. And here you can access this one, and there is another one which you press on the both ends, and you're pulling this down so you can disconnect both of them. So sadly this is the way. Other ways to remove this, and if you'd like to know how to do it, then I showed that on the previous movie. So because the weather is bad at the moment, I will do this easy way, because anytime I can shut down the hood and stop working. So this is the reason why I'm doing this way. If that was summertime, I will just do this proper way, just remove everything. I know it's taking more time, but it's less you trying to squeeze everything and, you know, access it. So after disconnecting those connectors, to remove the glow plug module, you just lift it up to release this from the screw holders, and then removing this down, so you're taking it down. And then the new one, it's not the new one, this is the old one, but you're placing this other way around up, fitting this to the screws, and then tightening those two connectors back to the place where it was. So guys, the job is done. As you can see, the folds are not coming back, so they are gone, so it's really good. It took me something like 15 minutes, so it's pretty short. If you will do this other way, which means removing all the parts, it's gonna be much longer. It's like half an hour, maybe an hour job. This way, it's gonna be quicker. The only tricky issue is to first, untightening the screws is not a problem, catching them. So like I said, you have to untie them to the point where they are almost gone, and then grab them by the magnet and untie them by the finger. So in this way you can remove them without losing them. To put them back, that's more fun than removing them, to be honest. You will need definitely extension and also the wobbly part, so you can change the angle when you're adding the screw. And if you will do this way, then that's a very easy job. So I hope this movie will be useful for you, that you will manage to solve this very quickly. Thank you very much for watching, as always, and I wish you a good day.